today I'm going to explain you the system, right? System is very important. Okay, I'm just going to open my Excel sheet. So from the pain, we figure we once you know what are the problem you're solving, you will come to know what is the gain that your target audience can get, right? What is the final outcome? People pay for outcomes, right? Once you know the outcomes, you are going to create content bank based on the outcomes. You write the outcomes in the content bank and you create a question bank. And for each question, you will write 3 knowledge bite concepts. That what are you going to talk? What is your valuable, priceless knowledge bites, insight bites, wisdom bites for that particular question, right? So we saw all of that yesterday. All those pieces are connected beautifully. Now, how will you give this transformation to every student that comes to you, for every client of yours? For that, you need to have a system. People in the software industry, manufacturing industry understand system, right? So now let me explain to you what is a system. So in the personal clarity sheet, so I'm going to explain you how to do it properly. Okay. So because I had not yet given you input, so system has to be, for example, see when I am engaging with you on WhatsApp classes, all right? I have a, see my GPS is a system. GPS is a system, right? So to figure out that, I earlier used to just say, write down the pain, write down the gain, write down the solution, but then I tried to come up with a system. So, you know, that you never forget about it, and gave a unique name to it so that it becomes unforgettable, right? So even for the WhatsApp classes, I will just take you one, I'm just going to take an example. How do I start? I have an agenda, right? In the agenda, what do I cover? I have an agenda. So I would say that, okay, I will do a recap. I will do a recap. Let me go full screen on this. I'm going to do a recap every day, right? Then I will also give some more mindset shifts and mindset paradigm shifts or mindset shifts I can call, right? Then what else? What else I have in that, right? Maybe Q&A is also part, assignments are part of my agenda. Now it's up to me whether I want to keep it there or I want to keep it some, separate as a system, right? So then I have some announcements to make, or maybe assignments I want to put it here. Okay, so every day I will have an agenda. So I have that day specific knowledge bites that I want to share with you, wisdom bites I call them, right? So it's in my agenda. My main thing is in my agenda, right? But there is a format to it. I give a recap, I do some mindset shifts, I inspire, motivate you, I give the knowledge bites for the session, and then I have Q&A also. Now Q&A I can keep it here. I will, for the timing, let me keep it here, okay? And then I have, I send you reminders, right? And throughout the day, I am doing some most motivational stuff for you. So you guys are, doing review of your submissions. I want to keep here in my agenda. At times I will do it, at times I will not do it, right? So next, then I have assignments, which I want to keep it separately, assignments, right? I have some announcements, right? I want to have some announcements that also I can include in the agenda, right? But maybe I'm going to show you something, how we make this, right? Announcements. Then what else I can do? I have acknowledgements, right? People who do good job are doing, I have acknowledgements, appreciation of your students' work. I will write whatever it is. So now see how I have created a 4A system. I can say this is my 4A system for WhatsApp class. This is it's a subsystem of my bigger system. It's a subsystem. Right? It's a subsystem, right? My knowledge digitization, monetization, marketing is a system. Digitization is my first part, monetization second, and marketing third. It's a system. So everything under digitization I have put, monetization I have put something, marketing I have put together something. So anything related to monetization will come in that piece. Anything related to marketing, tools, setup, autopilot mode will come in that. Digitization, anything new that is coming up related to what course to create, how to, all my GPS is a subsystem of my digitization system, right? So this is how you create. Now agenda, now I see there is some rhyming that is happening. So instead of agenda, what other name can I give? Maybe I think if I make it assessments. So basically, I'm trying to understand who is my target audience here on day one, right? So I'm saying agenda also becomes part of my assessment. Understanding my tribe, understanding your challenges, understanding what you came for here, right? So maybe my system is first assessing my audience, right? And then I give and that assessments I can do whatever I want to do. I hope you can understand, right, what I'm sharing here. So now I can say I have a 4A system. Now, because it is a subsystem, but for you, just to explain you how to come up with your system, right? If you're giving mindset shifts, so when the point here is when you have to take someone from point A to point B, when you say a person with this problem, XYZ problem, know the law, does not know the law, an NGO does not understand how the law impacts them, has come to you. Now you are giving them your solution so that from they shift from point A to point B. Your solution is your vehicle. Your vehicle is your solution. I am recommending to convert this solution into a system. Convert this solution into a system. So what is the first thing that you are going to do with that person who has come with this problem at point A? You will also do an assessment. How much they know, how much they don't know, right? Then you will have to give them some mindset shifts. You will have some strategies, you will have some tools, right? So see, in my acknowledgements, I have gamification also, right? So these are my all here. I can actually make a different version of the system completely. See, so you know, if I use the word gamification, I can try to create a unique system name from these words: gamification and see, for example, those who have affirmations can be, you know, for those who are in spiritual space, you can have affirmations. You can have what all words? Just ideate with me. Just ideate with me, right? So when you are you would be doing some mindset shift, so you can call it. Just figure out, because it depends on you know, your niche or your topic, right? Visualization, beautiful affirmations, visualizations. Thank you, Apsara. Right? Meditation. So it has become affirmations, visualizations, meditations, and actions. For example, in my entrepreneurship program, I have a 4A system again. I call it ability, adaptability, actionability, accountability. I put everything under that. Okay, so convert your solution into a system, step-by-step system, which is replicable. So everything that you do will go inside that. So your system is mostly an internal thing, but people, when you say that I have a GPS system to set the foundation of your business, it sounds something unique. I have a 4A system for my WhatsApp classes. Let me teach you. I can just do a program on how to run your WhatsApp classes. Then I say I have a 4A system to do WhatsApp classes, and I will teach you how to do that. Right? So if you simply say I will conduct WhatsApp classes, okay, but if you know, these are all the marketing language. You know, people pay for something new. Right? Packaging is important. The packaging of your solution is very important. So many times, more than the gift, the box is more appealing, right? Gift box. Right? So that is why you need a powerful system.